Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So your Prime Video PIN controls purchases and viewing restrictions. Updating it is quick and helps keep your account secure. So first thing first, open Prime Video settings. So open the primevideo.com or on your phone, like the application. Make sure you are signed in and go to your profile icon here. Okay, tap settings or manage profiles. This is where security options live. Go to edit profiles here. Okay, so you have for example, I have two accounts. Okay, you choose the one you want to edit or you want to make the modification on. So for example, let's choose this one. Okay, as you can see, the name is better. We have here some options to manage. So we have here profile pin and locks. Okay, tap manage here. You will be asked to verify first. Okay, the pin that you had before, submit. Okay, so now verify your identity. So enter your current pin as I did, or use your Amazon account password. It's required for security. Now enter new pin. Okay, so as you can see here, submit, and then now you confirm your new pin. It becomes active immediately after you enter it. Okay, so what happens after changing new pin is required for restricted content purchase approval. Use the new pin and old pin stops working. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.